What is the equation of a line that passes through points -3, 1, and 2, -3? For this one, they give you the location of 2 points that a line passes through, and you need to figure out what the equation is for that line. And it's going to be in the standard form of y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept of the line, where the line crosses this middle part of the graph. So to be able to write that, we're going to have to figure out what the slope and what the y-intercept is from these 2 points. The first thing I would do is put the points on the graph and connect them with a line so we have a visual idea of what our line looks like. So the first point is -3, 1, and this, remember, is in the form of x, y. They give you the first value in a coordinate pair is the x value and the second value is y. So the first value is left and right, the second value is up and down. So -3, since it's negative, we're going to the left, away from 0. 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and the y is a positive 1, so positive means we're going to go up on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 1 up. One of our points is right here. The next point is 2, -3, so it's positive, so we're going to the right on the x-axis, 1, 2, and the y coordinate is negative, so we'll go down 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Now connect these 2 points with a line. So this is our line, and we can already see where we're crossing the y-axis. It's about between -1 and -2, a little closer to -1, so we'll say our y-intercept is -1.25. So that's going to be the last part of our equation, this b part. Now we just need to find the slope of the line. And to do that, you use this formula here that will be on the formula sheet you have during the test. You just plug in y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is the second y coordinate, the y value for the second point. So it's this one right here, -3. So slope m equals -3 minus y1, which is 1, over x2, our second x value, which is 2, minus x1, which is -3. And simplify this. -3 minus 1 is -4 over 2 minus -3. 2 negatives become a positive, so it's 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So now we know our slope is -4 divided by 5. Our slope is m equals -0.8. Now that we know the slope and the y-intercept, we can write down our whole formula as our answer, which will be y equals mx, slope by x. So -0.8 is our slope, -0.8x plus b. Our y-intercept is going to be a negative because we're crossing the y-axis below the x-axis, so it's not a plus b, it's a minus b, and we just did it visually as about 1.25. If you calculated it, you could probably come up with a different number, but we're just ballparking it with minus 1.25, and that's good enough for a multiple choice question where we will just choose the closest possibility to what we came up with.